how to add products to your Wix website. So from the left hand side, we want to click on add elements, the plus icon, and then search. Just click on the search bar and we want to search for store here. So once we search for store, we want to focus on apps for your sites, and we want to add a Wix store if we don't already have one. So as you can see, it will tell us that we have it. We click on add again, and it will take us through the process of getting the Wix store. So right here, once we have added it, it will give us the option to manage products, or we can add a product directly. So we want to click on add a product. It's going to take us to yet another page, but we're just going to let that load because we are patient. So right here, as you can see from the left hand side, we are currently on the products page. So all of these are actually example products, as you can see. So we can highlight all of them and we can delete all of them. For example, if we want a clear store. So now we want to click on add a new product, and we can choose what it is, physical product or digital file. So for this, we're going to do digital file. We can upload the file, so it can be an image, document, zip file. I'm going to do image for the sake of this video. And I'm going to click on upload media, upload from computer, and I'm just going to choose a random image that I have right here. So it is going to open up. So now we can add to product. We can also add tags, file info. So add to product. And basically here's where we add the product name. So we can call it image, for example, ribbon. So this could be like hot or for sale or something like that, as well as the description. Here's where we fill in the description of the product that we are selling. We can edit the SEO settings, add some images, and here's where we actually put in the price. So we can do 200 BGN in my currency. So let's pretend that this is actually a for stock or for US dollar, for example. And basically, once we have filled all of this information, it's super simple. All we gotta do is click on save, and then we will begin selling this product. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.